Today we're tackling a question that some home sellers face. Do open houses actually work? Whether you're thinking about selling your home or just curious about the process, we're going to explore the pros and cons of open houses and help you decide if they're worth your time and effort. So let's get started. Open houses are a traditional method used by real estate agents, mainly in the US, to increase visibility for a property. But the idea is gaining traction here in the UK. The idea is simple. By inviting the public to tour your home, you can attract potential buyers who may not have scheduled a private viewing. This method allows buyers to physically experience the space, ask questions, and visualize themselves living at the property. But does this actually lead to a sale? Well, let's look into the details. There are several clear benefits to hosting an open house. Firstly, it gives you more exposure. Open houses can draw in a larger number of potential buyers, especially those who might not have considered your property otherwise. It's an opportunity for them to casually explore without the pressure of a scheduled appointment. Then you can get more feedback and insight. Sellers often receive valuable feedback from visitors, which can highlight the strengths and weaknesses of the property. This feedback can be crucial for making adjustments that could lead to a sale later on. They can also create a sense of urgency. In some markets, an open house can create that sense of urgency among buyers, especially if there's a lot of interest. This can sometimes lead to multiple offers, which is great news for sellers. However, open houses are not without their downside. Firstly, you can attract non-serious buyers. One of the biggest challenges is that open houses often attract more curious neighbors and nosy parkers than serious buyers. These visitors might enjoy touring homes but have absolutely no intentions of making an offer. Then there's the security. With multiple people walking through your home, there's always a risk, however small, of theft or damage. This is something to keep in mind when deciding whether open houses are right for you. Then there's the limited impact on sales. Statistically, the number of homes sold directly because of an open house is relatively low. Many serious buyers prefer private viewings where they can spend more time evaluating the property without a crowd. While open houses might not always lead to a direct sale, they can still play a strategic role in your overall marketing plan. They're particularly useful for generating buzz and increasing the exposure of your property, especially in the early stages of listing. However, relying solely on open houses is unlikely to be an effective strategy. Complementing them with high-quality online marketing, professional photography, and targeted advertising will give you a much better chance of selling your home quickly and at the right price. So, do open houses actually work? The answer is yes, but with some caveats. They're a useful tool for increasing exposure and gathering feedback, but they're not the most powerful weapon in your marketing arsenal. Use them as part of a broader strategy, and you'll have a better shot at attracting the right buyer. If you're considering selling your home and want to know more about the best strategies, feel free to reach out.